everyone. So now it's time for Sally for her onesie. So today I'm gonna do this is a pattern. I will give you a photo just now of the pattern. So I'm just going to use fleece material, and I just fold it in half. So I'm gonna, like the baby girl, like with the baby and Darren and Kaylee's onesies. I'm gonna do it on the same pattern, but I think I'm gonna just make the arms a little bit wider and even on the side, so I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger than a pattern. So let's see. So now I'm just going to work all around the lines here and then in the line here in the middle. So I'm going to do that on my sewing machine. You can hand sew it if you want, but my choice is the sewing machine. It's just faster. Okay, so I'll be back. Today's Sally with her onesie. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and until next time, bye.